Hi, I'm Fred Miller. Today we're walking through some of the elements involved in producing live edge work. The process starts with two book-matched planks. We're removing the outer bark here. All the outer bark has to be chiseled off, and then the inner bark ground off with a wire brush. All live edge work requires some finagling on the design floor, and this center inclusion is no exception. With the top glued together and reinforced with butterfly keys, it's time to move on to the table base, and after that, a visit with the client.
Fred Miller here, Canadian Wood Craftsman. I'm here today with my client, Ron, who commissioned this lovely table. I thought it would be a good idea to bring Ron in for this process of putting the first coat of oil on the table. So welcome, Ron, to my studio.
Right.
You know, you can really...
Can I really slop it on?
Yeah, you can layer on
like
fast.
white block or something like that?
Because we're going to rub it around anyways with rags
All right.
and wet dry sandpaper. Look at this grain coming out, eh? Isn't that fabulous?
Oh, this is unbelievable.
And the butterfly key is made out of blistered cherry. That was a good call on your part, Ron. I gave you three choices. Blistered cherry, curly maple, and Australian lacewood.
I must say, Fred, we've had enjoyed working with you on this and
That's great.
working through this process, and it's been a real experience for me. And I'm just going to love this table. I love it now. I'm going to be
I know you will.
more than happy with it.
Here, I'll have you come up around this side, Ron.
Okay.
I'm going to start working this down with my, I like to give it a rub as the oil's on with a 400 wet dry sandpaper.
Okay.
And just do...
Does that push that into the wood a little bit?
Yeah, it does help that, and it smooths the surface out a bit more as well.
Okay.
So had you seen a lot of black walnut before? What was there something that twigged you about black walnut? Why walnut?
Well, I have to say, I've seen black walnut in furniture and flooring, and you know, I just think it's a beautiful product.
The inclusion, you had this in your vision early on too. This open inclusion in the center of the table.
Well, that was just terrific that you and I worked through this, and I know my interior designer, who sort of had some play of this thing, was saying, it would be really nice if we kept the live edges on the inside as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I was skeptical.